This recipe is cauliflower tots. This recipe can be done in the oven. It can also be done in an active fryer. I don't have the active fryer available to me today, so we're going to be doing it in the oven for you. Safeway makes grated rice, cauliflower, and this is a 14-ounce container, which happens to equal 2 cups when measured. So it's already pre-done. And pour it into the bowl. You're going to add 1/3 of a cup of egg whites, 1 egg beaten, and this is a package of the broccoli cheese soup. This is really simple. You're just going to mix it all together. Make sure that broccoli cheese soup gets really nicely incorporated in there. You can see all that flavor coming to the top. And it gets kind of sticky, which is good. Now you're going to get a little messy. You're going to take the cauliflower and make sort of like a meatball. Then you're going to put it on the cookie sheet. I like to use a silpat pan. I don't require any oil this way. Nothing sticks to this. We're going to put this into the upper oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Broccoli cheddar tots.